guys, okay, here we are. My apartment is disgusting because I'm moving. Today's moving day, but something exciting is happening today. Self-care 101 thanks to Mayvenn Hair, y'all. Guess what? Do you know that when you order their bundles, you get a free install? Are you serious? Y'all, I have not had someone else do my hair in about 322 years. So as a stylist myself, who's always doing other people's hair, it's gonna be really nice to have somebody else touch my head. Oh my God. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, we got Angie here in the building.
Hey, Angie Hairstyle.
Hey, okay, follow on Instagram, y'all. Check it out.
So first up, Angie blew up my hair, then she split it, parted it in half, gave me some straight backs back there, and then folded up my ends and sewed them down. And ooh, as well, your install, guys, actually comes with a wash and braid down, honey. Yes. If you do want to do anything outside of a basic install, though, you do have to pay for those customizations. But let me tell y'all, there is nothing impossible for these Mayvenn stylists. You guys can head over to the site and book your appointment today. And after that was done, I look like your neighborhood cray lady around the way. But I just want to show you guys kind of what the hair looked like just after it was installed. This has just been completely air dried as well. So I wanted to do half up, half down, but I knew I wanted my edges to stay intact, honey, and that they wouldn't just get sweat out. So we're doing 2 braids in the front. I need to get the name of this edge control for you guys because it smells amazing. And it worked really, really well. But maybe you guys just need to hit up Angie, follow her to get the name. You know what I'm saying? So Angie did 2 braids. It was kind of like the feed-in method. We added a bit of a connect-a-lawn hair into that and had the braids kind of going to start from where my ponytail is going to be. So it comes from the top of my head and then swoops down the side. Then Angie slicked up my hair very nicely into 2 ponytails that she then joined into one that she then created a braid with, and then we went and sewed on the tracks onto that braid. And for the top section, we actually ended up using 1.5 bundles. So in total, I used 3.5 bundles of 24 inches, honey. And then right here, one of the final touches is that she took a piece of hair and then wrapped it around to cover up all the secrets. And then she used some Got2b gel to kind of, sorry, not gel, the spray to help hold and mold everything in place. And you guys, I have to say, I was honestly so impressed and happy about the way this came out. It came out exactly how I was picturing it. I was super in love. Couldn't contain my excitement. And the last little finishing touch, I asked Angie to add a couple gems, darling, goddess gems on to the braids at the front. Because, you know, I just want a little, like, zhuzh. And this was the finished look, y'all. Woo! I was in love. Oh, wait. We added, actually, little rings at the bottom there too. So this I loved about this look. Like, you could obviously wear it without any of the fixings and jewels, but then when you want to spice it up, you can add these jewels.
Woo! Update, guys. I have had this hair in, believe it or not, okay, for over a week. Over a week now. I know that doesn't sound like a big deal to a lot of you, but for me it actually is. Like, I have not had hair installed for this long in a long time, and it's been great. Get up and go, get up and live my best life, y'all. So this self-care situation took me all the way past a week because I really didn't have to fuss with it. Obviously, you know, the little edges, you know, smoothie, but it's been great. I've even been in the gym with it, working out, doing my thing. Okay, guys. All right, guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit right there, subscribe, to join the tribe, because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.